Well, do we have a treat here for you today? I drug the old Harlow hunting cabin home. As you can see, the kitty cat's interested in it too. And it is a 1968 Boles Aero. Really cool camper, but really rough shape. Kids have about destroyed it where she was sitting. All the windows are smashed out of it. There's another kitty, look. Look there. Kitty cat, get out of that camper. And this side, I don't know, this whole side's caved in. It's almost like somebody ran into it with a skid steer or something. So let me go around the other side. I'm giving you a grand tour of this beautiful thing. I put new tires on it. And I use grease buddies. You know what a grease buddy is for a boat. And put them on there and pump them full before I drug this thing home with the big Dodge up there. The Dodge pulled it just fine, as expected. View of the backside. Just a cool old camper. I like stuff like this, like the lights. Like those aren't so cool, but see those up there? I don't know. Can you see that? Right there. Those are neat looking. That's what makes these campers, stuff like that. The windows, the way they come out. See, this one's smashed out too. What do we have behind here? I'm just giving you guys the grand tour of this beautiful thing. Okay, while it's sunny, because it's getting ready to rain again, so I got to get this covered up to try and preserve the important things inside of it. We got to get it cleaned up. More smashed out windows. What do you say we take a look inside, and I will give you a tour. First, oh, let me show you the step. Check this step out. It still works. It slides up. Isn't that cool? Ouch! Just got my thumb. Cool, still works. Let's see. As we approach this height. So it's a little messy in here. Smells a little funky. But, as to be expected, we've got a little cleanup to do. It's some critters. It's been lived in, but not by any humans. Not for quite some time. We got some leakage. Okay, here's something cool that you have to see. This is why I like stuff like this. Look at this. This is glass. Look at that. Gold glass. Check this out. Need a magazine, a place to put your magazines? Right there it is. You can put your magazines there. Back here, against that wall, I'm thinking, I see a hinge. I'm thinking that folds out, makes a table, because under this pile here, there's a couch that folds out, I'm sure, to make a bed, I'm assuming. Now I gotta, like I say, confirm all this stuff. Check this out. Look at that old plaque. And I noticed another one over here, by the way. Right there. Air conditioning. A 1968 with an air conditioning unit in it. And I thought that was cool. Very nice size refrigerator and freezer. And I was delighted to see it wasn't full of stinky old food. So that's a good deal. Let's see. Oh, check out this. Another cool thing is that door. Look at that. That old door that slides. There's another one of these plaques. This is like, it feels like wood or something. There's also like a pocket door back here. A couple of old TVs. There's one which it's got, must be a leak. I see drippage. There's another old TV. And you need somewhere to put your TV, go ahead and put it right here on this swinging mongoloid TV holder. Isn't that cool? Thermostat. Now, lights. Look at there. You know, these old campers are just too cool. Hope I'm not moving around too much. So here's some business I wanted to take care of right here before it got too warm and they got too active. So let's take care of them right now. Gotta make sure I can run out of here. Wait a minute, let me shut this. Just in case they decide to get rowdy. There we go. And you see here, make sure all the siding and doors are junk, I think, honestly. Ah, there you go. There you are, guys. There you go. I love you, but not so much. Now, those waspers are scrambling for their lives, which they have lost. I promise you that. And one more douse because there's so many of these mofos. Just in case they... There we go. There should be no survivors of this. That's what we want. Look at there. You nasty little things. Oh my goodness. You nasty little things. Look at that one. You little nasty waspers. You're not going to get away. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, waspers. Not really. We're going to go back here, and here is the bathroom area. And we also have another... Where is she? There was a huge... So this is what makes things like this cool. See the fish on the wall here, this bathtub and everything. This sliding door is just absolutely beautiful and in good shape. There's Benny. Hey guys, it's the Benny. I thought there was another wasper nest. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is right up there. There's one. There's one. I thought there was more. Check out this. This is a pocket door, if you will, so to speak. That is, there you go. I guess, I don't know if it's a true pocket door, but it's a, which is just awesome. Beautiful. What's in here? Ooh, hot water heater. That will be going in the trashola because it's heavy. Little electrical things there. And a closet. Have you ever seen a sink like this? Oh, there's a wasper nest right there. They fell. You ever seen a sink like this? Oh man, it's cracked. But that's all right. As far as I've got toilet. This counter. Let me, dang it. I hate to do it, but let's just, oh, nasty. What's this right here? We got something going on here. I don't know what that is. Look at that. Wasper's drowning in the spray. Now that's an old microwave. Wonder if it works. There's an ashtray right there. Cool looking ashtray. And I also have one in my Datsun truck, so it'll probably take up smoking. Another cool little feature. See that globe light? It's just neat. All this stuff, all this detail on these old campers is just really neat. That's the quick tour of the Harlow hunting cabin. And I think I'm going to do a remodel to it because I really like it. I'm going to have to gut the whole thing. And the plan is to save all the stuff that I can as far as like the lights and different things, fixtures, whatever I can save, I'm going to save. But the floor is solid, but I think I'm going to take it out because there's insulation underneath it. And I would like to lighten this camper up maybe by making an aluminum floor. I don't know. There's a lot of things I have planned, but I'm going to gut it first. It's got to be gutted, unfortunately. And this, I am actually, this door, well, I got it locked down. I'm actually going to try and fix that sheet metal on that door, see if I can TIG weld it. And this right here, if anybody knows where I can get the siding, that would be greatly appreciated, but I'd say it's hard to find. I'm going to try and fix this, but if I can't, you know, I'll have to, I mean, I can fix it, but I'm saying if I could find better siding, I would. If you can get a piece of it, I don't know. I'm going to take all the rivets out of here, take the sheet off, fix it, and put it back on. What I need to know from you guys is, do you want to see a renovation video on this camper? And if you do, let me know, and I can make that happen. It's going to be in between the truck. Of course, the truck restoration is still going on, and I'm not quitting on that. That thing has got to get on the road. But I would like to get started on this, and that includes cleaning it and gutting it and just preparing it, you know, getting a blank slate, preparing it for rebuild. I think it's going to look so cool. I want to do a before and after cleaning it because that would make a big difference on this thing. So far, the kitty cat approves of the camper. I don't know if she's gotten any mice out of it yet, but if they're in there, she'll get them. I was able to save all kinds of cool paperwork on it. This is the price it last sold for, and even a TV manual, all kinds of things in here. Like I said, if you're interested, let me know. We'll go through that in more detail. Just a quick video to see what you guys think. Right now, I need to get this thing covered up because it's supposed to rain for the next week. And water getting in there is going to destroy all the furniture and things I'm wanting to save. Especially Like I say, man, wouldn't it be cool to get into this thing? Kitty cat scared me. Wouldn't it be cool to get in this thing and fold that table out and check that all out? You know, I don't want that stuff ruined. Should have a video up Sunday on the Datsun. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee, without a doubt.